historic and special screening just took place where the return of the group captain Sudhanshu Shukla just took place. He's back from the International Space Station after 18 days and I've been joined. Program director here at the Nehru Planetarium, Prerna Chandra ma'am. How is the feeling?
So we are very excited, big day for all Indians because Shubhanshu Shukla have become that first Indian astronaut, if we say in a technical term, who witnesses and also who went to International Space Station. Not only he went there, he conducted several experiments which will be really very useful for the coming missions of India.
We have some scientists as well, sir. What is your name and how are you feeling here? Second Indian to go to the space and first Indian to, go to the ISS.
My name is Rishabh Jain and I'm a space scientist. So as you asked that how do I feel? So being a scientist, I feel really good that all the organizations, the NASA, European Space Organization and some private organizations like SpaceX, they all came together and these astronauts from all the countries like Shubhanshu Shukla from India, Peggy Carter from USA and some from Hungary and yeah. So they all came together and went up to International Space Station. After 41 years, Shubhanshu Shukla became the second Indian to go into the space and the first one to go into the International Space Station. And yeah, he conducted many experiments that might act as the bridge for the upcoming ISRO missions.
So thank you so much. We have been joined by a few students here as well. Let's talk to them and see what they are feeling right now.
So first of all, I'm very excited for this whole event. The live screening of the entire, this thing was very great. And it's a very big achievement for the India also because as everyone was saying, Shubhanshu Shukla is the first person who went to International Space Station and this has opened a lot of new doors for Indian students who want to become an astronaut or want to become space scientists. Plus this was a mission where government and private companies collaborated, so it is also a big achievement for startup initiatives as well. Indian startups are very much motivated. Companies like Agnikul, they have this huge potential to collaborate with ISRO to create mission like Axiom-4 for our future generation.
Thank you. And I have other students as well. Are you feeling inspired by,
yes,
watching?
Yes, I'm really thrilled and he's been inspiration for all of us.
I'm feeling very inspired and also very motivated with lots of joy that our Indian astronaut went to the International Space Station and came back India very successfully. So it's a very joyful moment for us.
How are you feeling, ma'am? You watched this screening. Are you inspired to, pursue astronomy?
I'm feeling very proud, very exciting, and this was such a thrilling experience. Shivers were running down my hands, and when I was watching the splashdown live from here and seeing Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla come out of the shuttle and it's such an inspiring moment for all of us, for all us Indians, and that he made us all proud.
Thank you so much. So you can clearly see there is a wave of excitement and proud among the students and scientists. Everyone is excited for this, and this marks a historical beginning to the next chapter of India's space journey.